Hey, how are you? Good, good. And you? Be honest. How are you? Really? All good? I'm fine. All right. Are you putting on a brave face? How many times have you said, I'm fine, when in reality you are feeling lonely? Or you have too much on your plate, feeling like you don't fit in or measure up? Feeling like you're not good enough, stuck, and don't know how to move on. When something doesn't feel right, but you know nothing is wrong. Sometimes life feels like a constant uphill battle, or like it's uncontrollably slipping away. We can't promise we will take away life's problems, but we can help you find better ways to cope with them. Visit Melo.Cymru for information on local opportunities, resources, and courses to help you find ways to look after your mental well-being.